For months, we've traversed this wilderness. Sand, heat, and smoke have defined our pilgrimage. Sand from the coarse desert floor, heat from its vast, empty skies, and smoke from the incense of our prayers. To whom do our prayers ascend? To whom does our incense rise? Stillness is the response, yet the star still shines. Perhaps this king we seek has been born to bridge the gap between the created and the creator. Will this journey's end mark a new beginning? Perhaps time itself will be defined by this very moment. When we reach the end of the road, will we leave the same, or will our path be forever altered? As we carry on, we will let our prayers rise.